everyone, we're going to find the limit using L'Hopital's rule. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by e to the power of x minus 1. If we look at the form it has, if you plug in a 0 here, take the limit of this first piece, that's going to be infinity. And then if you do this one, you're going to get negative infinity. So I'm going to change the form to 0, and have this indeterminate form. The way I'm going to do that is rewrite my quantity here with the common denominator as x times e to the x minus 1. And then that would change my numerator to e to the x minus 1 minus x. Now looking at that, if I plug in 0, I'm going to get 1 minus 1 minus 0, which gives me that 0. And the denominator is going to be 0 times 1 minus 1, which gives me that 0. So now I'm going to apply L'Hopital's rule. When I see this S, it throws me a little bit. All right, so we're going to differentiate the numerator and the denominator as we take the limit of x as it approaches 0 from the right. So the derivative of the numerator is going to be e to the x. This goes away, and this will be minus 1. Derivative of the denominator is going to be, you take your x, and then times the derivative of e to the x. So that's going to be just e to the x. And then you say plus, you take this term, e to the x minus 1, times the derivative of x, which is just 1. So that's what you have. Now, when you apply your 0, you're still going to get your indeterminate form of 0 divided by 0. So what we want to do is use L'Hopital's rule again, and you differentiate the numerator. Whoops. I'm going too fast. So take your limit as x approaches 0 from the right. And when you take the derivative of the numerator, you're going to get e to the x. And the denominator, you're going to get, take the derivative of this. We already know that that's going to be x times e to the x. And then you take plus e to the x. Then we have another e to the x for this piece. And then that goes away. All right. Now let's go ahead and plug in our 0. So we'll have e to the 0. And then we have 0 times e to the 0 plus e to the 0 plus e to the 0 power. Now, e to the 0 equals 1. So you're going to get 1 divided by 0 for that piece. And these are plus 1 plus 1. So your answer is going to be 1/2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.